Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best electric sander with vacuum, the SKIL 5-inch random orbital sander with cyclonic dust box and 3-piece sanding sheet. Model State Route 211601. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient tool to handle sanding jobs with ease, this sander promises to deliver. At its core, it features a 2.8 amp motor capable of reaching 13,000 orbits per minute. This high-speed performance allows you to achieve smooth, professional results across a wide variety of sanding applications, whether you're working on wood, metal, or other surfaces. One standout feature of this SKIL sander is its innovative cyclonic dust collection system. Unlike many traditional sanders that can quickly fill up with dust and require constant emptying, this model uses cyclone force to separate dust particles and capture them in a transparent, easy-to-empty container. This means less mess and less interruption to your workflow. The dust container's clear design also makes it simple to monitor dust levels so you know exactly when to empty it. Control is key when sanding different materials, and this sander provides variable speed control. You can easily adjust the speed to find the perfect balance of power and precision for your specific project. Whether you need a gentle touch for finishing or a more aggressive speed for removing rough surfaces, this tool adapts to your needs. Comfort during long periods of use is often overlooked in power tools, but SKIL has addressed this with an ergonomic design that includes a soft rubber grip. The sander's counterweight balance helps reduce vibration and hand fatigue, letting you work longer and more comfortably. Its compact size also helps you maneuver in tight spaces, giving you maximum control even on detailed jobs or awkward angles. Another convenience factor is the dust sealed on/off switch. This thoughtful detail prevents dust from clogging the mechanism, ensuring reliable operation without the hassle of constant maintenance. In terms of dimensions, this sander measures roughly 7.87 inches in length, 4.8 inches wide, and 5.51 inches high, making it a compact yet sturdy tool that fits comfortably in your hand. It runs on standard 120 volts, which means it's compatible with most household outlets in the United States, though you may need a voltage converter if you're using it internationally. The SKIL 5-inch random orbital sander comes with 3 medium grit sanding sheets, giving you what you need to get started immediately. It's sold at a competitive price point, offering excellent value given its combination of power, dust management, and ergonomic design. Overall, this tool is a great choice if you want an electric sander that effectively manages dust, offers variable speed, and minimizes user fatigue. It suits DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike who value a cleaner workspace and a comfortable grip during extended sanding sessions. That wraps up our detailed look at the SKIL 5 inches random orbital sander with cyclonic dust box. For more honest reviews and product insights, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching.